In less than 2 minutes, I'll show you how to design your own brand poster for your new arrivals. Now, this poster can be used for your website, it can be used for your social media platforms, and many more. Simply open a Canva project page and upload the image of the product and begin to resize just like so. Resize until your image fits your Canva appropriately. And once you're done, duplicate your image. And let's begin to crop our image to highlight the product we want to advertise. In this case, it's the jewelry. Click on stroke style and increase the weight of the stroke. Click on stroke color and change that to white. Crop the second image to highlight the bangle. Click on stroke style and increase the stroke weight. Change the color to white. I think the first stroke is a bit more visible, so we're going to reduce that a little more. Perfect. Click on the first image, go to edit, scroll down to see filters, and scroll down so we can see the slate filter. It's basically black and white. And simply write whatever text you want to write. In this case, I'm writing new arrivals using the font of my choice. And here is the final result. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly subscribe, like, share for more.